Welcome to Little Learner's ABC Studio. Let's learn and play. Tap like. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go, friends! A for apple. A for ant. B for ball. B for bird. C for cat. C for cookie. D for dog. D for donut.
E for eagle. E for eggplant.
F for frog. F for fish. G for giraffe. G for gift. H for hedgehog. H for honey. For ice cream. I for iguana. J for joystick. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. K for kite. L for lion. L for lemon. M for monkey. M for mango. N for nightingale. N for noodles. O for octopus. O for orange.
P for panda. P for pizza.
Q for queen. Q for quail. R for robot. R for rainbow. S for snake. F for sun. T for turkey. T for taco. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. V for fun. V for vase.
W for wolf. W for watermelon.
X for xylophone. X for X-ray.
Y for yuck. Y for yarn.
Z for zebra. Z for zip.